Hi everybody, if you ever have a Pentax camera like this and whenever you want to turn it on, you'll hear this sound. Like the lens is stuck, it cannot move. So what is the issue? So basically, for this camera has like a PCB board that is the flexible PCB board for this camera that connects between the lens and the camera body has been broken. So because this case, sometimes if you use too often and if you keep playing the zoom, it goes in, go out, and then because over the time humidity, because the weather in Singapore is very humid, it can actually damage this flexible PCB board. So once it tear, it has this issue. So the lens will stop halfway, and no matter you try to on and off, it doesn't work and all. So how to fix it? Basically, to tear down the whole camera, get a spare PCB, the flexible PCB board for this camera. So this one you cannot use any ordinary from like Taobao, Shopee or eBay and all. You need to get a specific one for this model itself. Yes. So technically, you need to get a part for this before you can repair, and it's going to be a bit costly. Because this is a very common issue for most Pentax camera. They have this PCB board issue. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more contents on camera. And I'll see you soon. Bye.